Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the video. Today we're going to talk about how to get the latest update for the iOS 16 developer beta 6 on your iPhone or iPad if it's not showing you the update for the download or install iOS 16 developer beta 6. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, what you need to do is just open up Safari browser and then search here for the beta.apple.com. Here it is. So search for this and then you have to scroll it below and tap on get start, and then from here you have to scroll it below again and tap here on enroll your iOS device. So after this, again scroll it down and tap on download profile, and now tap on allow, close it, go back, open up here settings, and then here is profile downloaded, so tap on this and now tap on install. Again here give your passcode for your device and then again tap on install to confirm the process and tap on not now, tap on done. So after this you will be able to get the latest update about your iOS 16 12 for beta 6, so you can download and install. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.